In today's video, I'll show you how to create sound effects using ElevenLabs so you can add custom audio elements to your videos, games, or creative projects. If you've never made sound effects before, don't worry. The process is simple once you understand how to turn text prompts into realistic audio. First, sign in to your ElevenLabs account and open the Audio Tools section. This is where you'll find the feature for generating sound effects. Next, think about the sound you want to create. It could be something like footsteps, wind, a door closing, or even more creative sounds like futuristic effects or ambient noise. Now type a clear description of the sound into the input box. The more detailed your description is, the better the result will usually be. For example, instead of just writing rain, you could describe light rain falling on a metal roof. After entering your prompt, click the Generate button. ElevenLabs will process your request and create an AI-generated sound effect based on your description. Once the sound is ready, listen to the preview carefully. If it doesn't match what you imagined, you can adjust your description and generate it again until you get the right result. When you're happy with the sound, download the file and use it in your project. You can layer multiple sound effects together to create more immersive audio scenes. Experimenting with different descriptions is the best way to learn how to get the exact sound you're looking for. And that's how you create sound effects with ElevenLabs. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.